Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by pausing any active transfers so new data doesn't complicate the stop. First, make sure your device has internet and at least 20% battery or plug it in. Then open Settings, tap your name, go to iCloud and choose Photos. Toggle options like iCloud Photos or Live Photos as required. Once done, open the Photos app and swipe to the bottom to find the Pause button. Select Pause for 1 day, or until I leave to halt ongoing restores immediately. Now you'll stop the actual restore by disabling iCloud Photos and choosing how copies are handled. Go back to Settings, right arrow iCloud, right arrow Photos, and switch off iCloud Photos. The system will ask whether to remove from iPhone or download and keep originals. Pick based on whether you want local copies. Make sure to repeat these steps on any other devices linked to the same Apple ID, because if another device is still syncing, it can restart the restore. This prevents re-triggering the process across your ecosystem. To finish, confirm the state and resolve any lingering activity. If the restore persists, sign out of iCloud or explicitly disable photos in settings, then force restart your device to clear transient tasks. After reboot, open Settings, right arrow General, right arrow iPhone Storage, and inspect the Photos entry to ensure space and files reflect your changes. If you still see continuous restores, reset network settings to force a fresh connection. And if that fails, contact Apple support with your device logs. This helps them diagnose server-side restore loops quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.